Australia's east coast is being battered by erratic weather, prompting back-to-back fires and floods in New South Wales and Victoria. Residents in Gippsland in Victoria's east are being told to evacuate immediately as Lake Glenmaggie swells to dangerous levels, while roads are already inundated with water. It's a reprieve for firefighters who spent the last 2 days battling multiple fires, out-of-control fires that burnt more than 25,000 hectares. Meanwhile, one person is in hospital and 3 homes have been destroyed after fires tore through Bega in the southeast of New South Wales.